aren't you?
Fermented person.
But this doesn't focus my face, huh?
Yeah, just have a towel.
Okay, what we gonna make today?
Oh.
You
chicken-
really don't know what we gonna make today?
Chicken rice, Thai style chicken rice.
We're gonna make khao man gai or Thai style chicken rice.
Let's go.
First off, you want to start this task one day ahead. Soak half cup of sticky rice with generous amount of water. Cover all the grains with water and make sure you add some extra so it doesn't dry out overnight. Next, combine 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of sugar to make brining liquid for chicken. You can put the brining liquid in microwave for 1 minute to help sugar and salt dissolve better. Just make sure you leave it to room temp before you put the chicken in. Then you want to put this soaking chicken in refrigerator overnight. This brining helps chicken to retain moisture when it's cooked. It's gonna come out very tender and juicy. We're gonna start by boiling the chicken first. Add generous amount of water in the pot. No salt, no seasoning. Then take the chicken out of the brining liquid. Rinse the chicken thoroughly with cold water. Let's check the water. When the water is hot boiling like this, you can put the chicken in. Then put the lid on and turn the heat down to let it simmer. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes depend on the size of the chicken. Meanwhile, grab a bowl filled with ice and cold water. This is for shocking the chicken once it's cooked. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. Let's take the chicken out. You want to save the cooking liquid for later. Plunk the chicken right into cold water. You just want to shock the skin part to get jelly-like texture while the flesh inside is still warm. This shouldn't take longer than 1 minute. Rest the chicken on the rack to get rid of excess water. Put the foil on the top to make sure it doesn't dry out. Now we're gonna make the rice. Get a saucepan with a lid. Add 1.5 tablespoons of neutral oil. Prepare 3 big slices of ginger and 5 cloves of garlic. Make sure you lightly smash both of them. Toss them in the oil over medium-low heat. Lower the heat once it becomes fragrant. Add 1.5 cups of uncooked jasmine rice. Strain water out of the soaking sticky rice. Then add the soaked sticky rice into the pot. Stir thoroughly. You want oil to coat every grain of the rice. Take 2 cups of the chicken cooking liquid. And add into the rice pot. If you have rice cooker, you can transfer this into your rice cooker. But today I'm gonna show you how to cook it in the pot. Put the pot on high heat. Put the lid on when the liquid starts to boil. Turn the heat down to let it simmer. If you see the liquid getting dry, you can turn down the heat even more. After simmer for 15 minutes, it should be done. Then you wanna add salt to taste. I prefer 1 teaspoon, so it won't be too salty when eat with sauce. Gently fold in the salt so the rice doesn't get mushy. Put the lid on until serving. Okay, our rice is done. Next we're gonna do the sauce. Get your mortar and pestle ready. Add 1 clove of garlic and 1 Thai bird chili. Also 1 slice of ginger. Mash everything together. It doesn't have to be super fine. Then add 1 tablespoon of Thai soybean paste. Use the pestle to grind the bean. Add half tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 tablespoon of Maggi sauce, half tablespoon sugar, and 1/3 tablespoon of white vinegar. Mix them well. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of chicken cooking liquid. Add a small pinch of salt. Mix again, then it should be ready. Let's cut the chicken. Slice some cucumber for garnishing. Okay, let's do plating. Start with the rice. Put the chicken on top. Cucumber slice on the side. Garnish with some cilantro leaf on top. Then finish with that delicious sauce on the top. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more cooking videos in the future.
Bye bye.